Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. I'm giving thanks to our honorable teacher Jamal Hussain for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. My name is KHADIJA AKTER, but you can call me Zidni because that's my nickname. My birthplace is Dhaka, but my parents came from Borishal. Now I'm living in Dhaka. I'm a student at Dhaka Nursing College. My favorite subject is anatomy. I have a very big family. There are 8 members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. Now I am 20 years old. I would like to become a teacher in future because it seems very precious to me. My hobby is painting. I also like watching movies in my free time. I'm very fond of chocolate. The day I like most is Friday because it is the day when I can go to my own home from hostel. The month of the year that is very favorite to me is March because on this month of 2003 I was born and the date was 23. So you can wish me on 23 March. As I said before, I like watching movies in my free time. My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. The thing I most hate it is being ignored by someone because that hurts me so much. Now at this moment I genuinely want to learn speaking English and I'm trying hard on this. That's all about myself for the time being. Thanks for listening.